Hey guys, it's your girlfriend Cindy Wonderful, and I decided to make this video because recently I've been really inspired by this guy, Will Survives. And if you don't know who he is, he's a guy who basically went off into the wilderness to make his own cabin and live off grid, and he's pretty much doing everything trial and error and getting experience as he goes, and he's had to move a couple times, and I've just really been enjoying his content. And it really dawned on me that I'm kind of like the urban girl version of Will Survives. He's also a rapper. And anyway, that's kind of what I've been doing with my space. I tried to go off grid, but I'm not smart enough to set up the inverter converters. That's not my wheelhouse. And I've failed at many things, and I haven't really taken you guys too much on the journey, a little bit, but I figured I would, it's not too late to start because I'm working on a new project. Now, I built this room all with recycled material or material that I had left over from other projects. And this is like my studio space, my, place where I can go be creative or chill out or whatnot. And basically, it's all made out of repurposed materials. Even most of the screws I got from an old job. So basically, I don't have the walls going all the way up to the ceiling for circulation, airflow, and light because it gets a lot of light. Right now, there's actually no light. Well, there's a light on in there, but there's no light in the rest of the building. It's all just from the skylights. So, and basically, I'm working on another room right now. And I wanted to kind of show you guys where I am in the process because maybe you'd like to see how it comes together. So basically I'm using pallets as the foundation and then old fence boards. And there may be a lot of you that are like, oh, you're not doing it the right way or whatever, but I've built a shed like this and it's withstood a hurricane already. And this room is doing well. And, so it works for me. And I bet there's plenty of people out there that don't think they have the skills to build something, and maybe you don't, because I certainly am not very skilled, but I am putting this together with my very rudimentary knowledge, and I'm making something happen, and I'm enjoying it. It's kind of like a meditation working on this, but this is what it looks like now, and soon it'll be a room, and it'll even be for rent. So if somebody needs a space for, I don't know, maybe you make music or you need to create something, it does have an outlet. So there is power, and if you've ever come to Wonderground, you know what it's like. And if this is your first time seeing this space, usually we have like community events here, little concerts, stuff like that. So you'd have to be somebody who doesn't want to rent it in spite of that, but because of it, because I'm trying to cultivate a creative community here. That's what I'm working on. And check it out. Here's the bathrooms. Like I said, we tried to do everything off grid, but it just didn't work out, But just because one thing doesn't work out doesn't mean you give up. You might have to rethink the way that you do things. You might have to do them a different way than you set out to. But I wanted a creative space. That's what I wanted. And I can't tell you how thrilling it is for me to have creative things happening in this building. It's wonderful. It makes me feel so good. And anyway, that's where I am. And if you guys like this video, let me know, comment, or I don't know, let me know, and I will keep making these videos. And if nobody likes it, well, I'm going to keep making the space. So, no matter if anybody cares, and that's a good message for all of you. It doesn't matter if anybody cares. What do you want to do? I'm doing what I want to do, and I hope you guys are doing what you want to do as well. All right, I'm your girlfriend, Cindy Wonderful. I got to get back to work. Peace.